Hello, this is the smartwatch that I bought. The heart monitor and the BP monitor is not working like this. As you can see, it's measuring my BP for heart monitor, but it takes too long and suddenly stops like that. It can't read. Then the second one is this one. It's still not working. It stops, then resets. Look, no reading.